So over here you can see that I have my Teams opened up, and let's say I want to start a new conversation. So over here, once a channel is opened up where you want to start a conversation, you can go around and click on new conversation right here. So for example, I'm going to go to the tutor example right here and click on new conversation. So once I do that, you can see that immediately I can go around and start typing in conversation right here. So I'm just going to go around and say hello there, just like this, and press enter. So once I do that over here, you can see that the conversation has started and the other member will now be able to reply to the conversation. So they can go around and reply to the conversation and press enter, and you'll be able to see the conversation right here. So over here, if you want to continue out on the same conversation, you can go around and reply out over here just like this, and you can see that it continues like a thread right here. But if you want to communicate on a new topic, then you can go around and click on new conversation right here, and you can go around and type in a conversation right here just like this, as you can see. And just like this, you can see a new conversation has been started right here. And what the other member can do is they can reply to your thread, and you will be able to see the reply to the conversation right here. And that's it. That's how you go to a particular channel. And when someone, let's say, for example, sends out a message right here, then that channel will be highlighted. So here, nothing is highlighted, as you can see right here. But let's say someone sends a message, then what happens is that that channel will be highlighted right here, and in activity you'll get a notification over here as well. So if you were to go around over here, then you can see the conversation just like this. And that is how you can start and reply to conversations inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.